Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and thanks for joining me today on DLive. Today I'm going to show you how to create a paper wallet to store your ADA cryptocurrency, or Cardano. And I'm going to show you how to do it using the Daedalus wallet. So let's get going. So the Daedalus wallet is the wallet of choice for holding your ADA cryptocurrency. It's really the only desktop solution available right now for holding your ADA, unless you would rather store it on a cryptocurrency exchange. And it's created and maintained by the Cardano team. So we know we can trust it. It's gone through some revisions and upgrades, and one of the latest features is the ability to create a paper wallet, and it's pretty cool, so I thought I would walk you through how that works. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Cardano, this is the Cardano website, and if you want to get started and get the Daedalus wallet, you can just download it directly from their website. And then of course you'll want to throw a little Cardano in there. You can't buy Cardano on Coinbase, one of the biggest sites for cryptocurrency. Buying cryptocurrency, but it is supported on some of the larger exchanges. If you've got a cryptocurrency account, you can easily get a hold of some Cardano and transfer it into your wallet. So I'm gonna just assume you've already done this. I'll probably have another video on getting started with the Daedalus wallet, but I thought I would demonstrate this feature because it's something new. Alright, so what I'm going to do is launch my Daedalus wallet. It is a Windows based wallet. So when you install it, it is in your start menu here under D. So I'm just going to go ahead and launch that. Okay, so as you can see, I've got several wallets going. It's pretty easy to create new wallets and restore wallets. So it's a full-featured desktop wallet. But what I'm going to go over today is how to create a paper wallet. We're going to click this little icon that it looks like a little Daedalus dollar. So we click on that icon and it brings up this interface where we're asked to go ahead and print out our paper wallet. And we would basically save the file for PDF printing. So we'll just click this button down here. And we're going to get a pop-up menu, file save dialog, and we can just drop this on our desktop. Alright, so you can see the wallet, the paper wallet is up here on my desktop. And they're going to walk you through the process. It's pretty straightforward. So we're going to print it out. We want to make it paper. I guess you could leave it as a PDF if you wanted to and put it on an encrypted flash drive, but that raises its own challenges. You'd need Adobe Acrobat to edit the PDF or some other program. But so I'm just going to open it up and double click it and open it up, and you can see it here. And this is the what it's going to look like when you print it out. It's pretty cool. Now I'm going to use a color printer because it is kind of a nice blue shade. It's pretty cool, and so I'm going to use a color printer. You don't have to use a color printer. You can use your, just your black and white laser if you want. And of course, you may be using a different printer and everything else. But I'm going to go into my preferences here. This is my HP Envy, my color printer. I'm going to go into my preferences here. And I want it to be two-sided printing. And I'm going to choose flip along short edge, which basically means it wants it to just flip it like this, right? So it's going to look cool from both sides. And then I'll explain, I'll show you why I did it that way. So we just click OK and choose print. Alrighty, so I got it printed up. Let's go full screen here. Pretty cool. And the reason I did it flipped over is, when I flip it over, it stays upright, both sides of it, right? And so as part of the checklist, we want to note that it is readable. and that it printed legibly, that you had enough ink in your printer, and yes, the answer to that question is yes. And did the first 18 words on the paper print legibly? And yes, they did. And is the QR code scannable? So let's check that out. I'm going to go ahead and share my phone with you guys. I got my phone open here, and I'm going to open my QR code reader. And I know this is kind of a little bit strange, but I'm going to hold up the wallet, and I'm going to scan that QR code. All right. I can get it to come into focus there. All right. Now I can look over here and just confirm that that code that I scanned matches the address in letters that I can see above here. Right. So I'll just eyeball that. Sorry, holding it upside down. We want to make sure that this address is the same, and that no part of it got cut off or anything. And I can see that the front and the end are okay. I don't have to look at every single letter to know that it did scan correctly. Okay, so I've got a printed wallet. It's printed legibly, and the QR code is scannable and matches the public address there on the paper wallet. So we'll just click that and continue. And now it wants me to write these last few words on the restore phrase, right? As you can see here, the restore phrase. So as you can see, the restore phrase is not complete. There are several spaces left, words 19 through 27. And so they've provided them, they provided the words here. So we're just going to complete this seed phrase. Okay, so I've worked my little jerry rig here, and I'm going to go ahead and write out the last few words. So just write them legibly. So once you've got them written out legibly, another cool thing you can do is play kindergartner and cut this thing along the dotted lines. Actually, the dotted lines are a little easier on the backside here. So you might even ask your kids to do this for you. And then you can fold it. So we're going to probably take the seed phrase. It'll be kind of what you would want to go on the inside. Right. And then you can fold it like this. And then you've got this little cool little certificate. And the idea is that you're going to put some glue along here. Right? You see, you'll put glue along here, and then you can just glue it shut. And then you've got a nice little cool looking wallet. And then you've got the wallet address on the back so that you can easily check your balance. Okay, so once we've written down our recovery phrase and we've folded our nifty little wallet here, we'll go back to this and we'll indicate that we have written the 9 words down, and we'll click continue. And now it wants us to verify the recovery phrase. So we'll open this guy up again and read off that recovery phrase and enter it in to this interface here. Okay, so now that you've, when you have successfully entered all of those words, it confirms that they're correct. You will also indicate here that you understand the paper wallet will not be stored in Daedalus anywhere. Okay, this is completely independent of the Daedalus wallet. It's outside. And then you'll also understand that the only way you can recover this paper wallet is with the certificate. All right. So this is very important. Once you've created this wallet and stored ADA on here, the ADA is only available on this, right? So don't lose this. All right, so I'll show you what I mean here. And then we'll click continue. And now they give us a couple of other little things here. They give us a link to the Cardano Explorer, to the address of your wallet, so that you can check your balance. And then they give you the wallet address and a QR code. That is the exact same QR code that is on the wallet itself here, right? All right, so we can click this link, and it's going to launch our web browser and take us to the Cardano Explorer. And as you can see, it's showing us the address of the wallet, the QR code, and the number of transactions, which at this point is 0, and the final balance in ADA, which is also 0. So, and this indicates to you also that this wallet is empty. There is no Cardano stored on it at this moment. You'll notice that none of your, after we finish, none of the wallets that you have in your Cardano wallet have lost their balance. Everything is just the same as it was before you printed this. You basically just printed an empty wallet. So now we want to put a little Cardano in there. So I'll show you how that works. Okay, so I've got about 200 ADA in my demo wallet with a little extra left over for the transaction fee. So I'll use that as my example. I'm going to go ahead and transfer 200 Cardano into this wallet. So all I need to do is go to send, and then I've got this wallet address field. So how am I going to get the address in here? Well, I could type it in manually, which would be rather tedious, but I could do that. So, but instead, I'm going to attempt to scan it with a QR code. There are a few free QR code scanners available for Windows 10, so we're going to give that a try. All right, so as they say, we live in the world, and the world is thus. I've tried 3 barcode scanners from the Microsoft Store, and all 3 of them have failed me, crashed, glitched, you name it. I had one that I managed to download and use before I recorded the video, but of course now that I've started recording the video, it will crash and fail and do all kinds of crazy stuff. So if you, in your comfy little homes there, have managed to download a QR code scanner for your computer that works, then more power to you. Unfortunately for me, I'm not going to spend all day trying to figure out how to get my computer to scan a QR code. So I will use my phone, and then I will email. I'm going to email the address to me. It's still going to be easier than typing it out manually. So I'll go ahead and share my phone with you so you can see what I'm doing. It's nothing mysterious, really. Got my phone open. I'm going to launch my QR code reader, and then I'm going to scan the address. All right. Now, of course, I wish I could just cut and paste this into my my wallet, but I can't. I'm going to have to send it. I'm going to share it with email, and I'll send it to myself. All right. Okay, now I'll go ahead and turn off screen sharing. I'm done with that part. And I'll just check my email real quick. All right, so now that I've got this address, I'll go ahead and copy it into my clipboard, and then we'll paste it into the wallet here. All right? And then you can just double check on your paper wallet to make sure that that is in fact the correct address. All right, and we'll go ahead and send our 200 ADA and choose, actually, let's just send 10, right? Let's not go crazy, right? I'll go ahead and just send 10 just to test out the wallet. All right, and I'm going to be spending a little bit on fees doing that. I can deal with it. All right, and there we go. So I sent the transaction out from my Daedalus wallet to the paper wallet. All right. So once that's done, the Cardano will be only in this paper wallet, not connected to anything in the Daedalus wallet, anything online, no accounts, nobody to call. It's only on this piece of paper. So if you lose it, that's it. It's gone, right? So, but if you want to send more, I personally have that address in my email. I can always use it to send myself more if I want to. All right, and now you can see the balance of the paper wallet is got 10 Cardano in it right now, and there has been one transaction. And one thing you'll probably want to do is bookmark this. You could even rename the, so you can edit the name of it. You could call it Cardano Paper Wallet if you wanted to. So it looks, it's a little more meaningful to you. So I've showed you how to download the wallet, how to transfer some funds into the wallet, how to check the balance of the wallet, and if you want other people to send you Cardano to this address, you can send them that public address and they can fund it if you don't really care that anyone knows that you've got you know, a hidden wallet somewhere. So I would like to mention that I have a live stream every Friday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A in LA. I look forward to seeing you there, and you can throw out any questions that you may have. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, or give me a upvote if you're viewing this content on Steemit. I appreciate everyone watching my videos, no matter where you're watching them from. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.